Hello guys, today we'll learn about the how to draw a cell tower in the Staadpro software. And click on the Staadpro software. The interface like this. Click on the new project here and click on the space here, and here click on the, first of all you set the length of units. Click on the meters, and here also kilonewton meters, and click on the next option here. And next added beams, click on the added beam, click on finish it. Then after like this interface be like this, and go to the front view. And next we should take a beam. First of all we select the directions. We should select the top view and click on the top view here, and here we should select x z direction only. Why? Because in the top view direction x direction will be available. And next we want to change here like this, then click on OK here, and add the beams here like this. These points we should add it like this. We should add it and after we taking the these lines, next we should give the we should give the radius of these values. Here we get the node and click on here. We want to delete this node and delete, and click on the beam, add the beam here. And next we should add this length and this like this we should give. We can see in the 3D view also like this we get it here. And next we should select these points for giving the midpoints for this. Okay, we select the bit and go to the insert, add the midpoints and click on OK here. We get it here, midpoints. And we should take a beam cursor here. We should attach for this like this. We should attach we can see in the 3D view also. Here we can see here like this. We want to add the for these value for total structure, and take a beam cursor here.
Hello everyone, in the last video we have seen that the elevation, the frontal elevation for the plan, for this plan have been drawn. Okay, so in
like this we should add the
colors to this painting. Colors, we can simply say that we can apply the painting for the walls for the frontal elevation. And next we are going to draw the side elevation elevation also for this building. Okay. So
Conclusion.
another one. So before doing that, let this extra lines be.
Change the connection like
So
this.
for that,
For
here let me this one.
add these beams.
Here double enter. This is this one. Escape.
Control Z. For these points we should take it. Like this we should do the,
Here you can see it has been deleted.
like this we should add the beams, beam cursor like this.
So in this way it has been
In this
deleted.
way.
So next step is
Like this we should draw the beams cursor here.
So before that, let us add the parapet wall at this building. Okay, so for that, we will click on this.
Next,
Let us click on this offset and let us take it. The offset, let the offset distance be 3 feet 6 inches. On interaction here. So here you can see it is going too much upwards. So let us give the distance as only 3 feet only.
okay.
Here it has been placed.
We should add these points to all sides.
Here you can see the parapet work for this building.
For all sides.
Okay. So next let us join this one. For that, click on yellow.
And for do the all sides. So like this we should add the these beams. We should to beam cursor we should add it for these points. And next we should select the mid. Okay, and go further here. Click on the top view and select these nodes. And translate method one the 3 meters height at y direction, linked steps. Click on OK here. We can see in the 3D view. We can see in the 3D view the 3 meters of the height here. Next, first of all, we should click on isolate view. These we should delete these beams. Delete. And nodes also we should delete. Select the node points. And delete. And next we should add the beam here. Okay, these points were added here. We can see here it's too much height, so we can measure it. Okay, next select these points. And I click on isolate view at y direction at 5 meters steps, and it will be consist as 3 meters of the height. Click on link steps here and click on OK. We can see here the 3 meters of the height we can complete it. So next we should okay, we added these points. Next we should do the and take a beam cursor here for these points. Select the points and click on here like this we should do the for all direction. Here
So here I am going
here
to
we all sides are either order.
let us see.
So next should select these.
Instead of 1 feet,
Okay.
it has 3 inches.
We select the beams this and go to the translate method at bi-direction. At the steps is 5 steps and at the height of the 3 meters height, and click on link steps and click on OK. We can see here directly assign it here. And
it has 3 inches only.
Next of all we should add it here one door. Click here one node point here.
So next,
We need the here node point here for this,
the same way
and
let us
we should add it here points. Okay, we should give the first of all we select the front view and click on this node point and click on console tree, control C, control V, and this is the distance of the 23 meters to the height, and click on OK. We can see in the isolate view we get it here, and we should delete here this one. We get it, and for these node points we should add it for these. We should add these points. Okay, for these points we should add it here, and next we can see in the 3D view also here. Like this we can see here, and next okay, next step is the geometry was completed. Next go for the general here and give the supports for this, and go to the support. First of all click on supports and create the support here, and we added a fixed support and click on that. For these points we should give the okay, go to the top view, and for these like this we should select these node points here and assign to selected nodes and assign it. Click on assign. We can see in the isolated view the nodes, the supports was added here for these points. Like this supports will be added here, and next here, and okay, and we already added the supports. Next go for the property sections and give the definition, and for this definition first of all this is the this is the cell tower no as a section database. Click on the section database here. For the section database we will get these shapes, and here we should select the Indian, and we should shape the shape we should select the shape for the steel code, and we should take the angle here. Go for in the section, click on the properties and go for the section database here, and we get it here. This is the click on Indian standard and click on it, and next we should go to the angle here. We will get the angles of the 150. We should take the above the 150 angle. Why? Because the in Indian standard we will get the Indian standard we get the ISA 150 12 I was taking the materials, and click on add here and close it. And next we should take and we take at the material of the steel material and close it here. And next we should assign it, and here we can see assign to view and assign it. Click on assign. Directly the material IAS for steel material was added here, this material. Thank you. In next class, how to loads and definition we should give, and give the materials analysis. We can see it. You can see it.